Good morning, student. Myself, Irina, your health coordinator from Amrit Canadian Academy. Today, we are going to study about anatomy and physiology. Before giving the first aid to any person who is injured, one should know the anatomy and physiology of the body. If you are not known to the anatomy and physiology of the body, you are not able to recognize what is happening to a person who is injured or who is sick. So, today we will study about anatomy and physiology. First is, what is anatomy? Anatomy is the branch of biology concerned with the study of the structure of organism and their parts, meaning bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms. Now, what is physiology? Physiology is the scientific study of functions and mechanisms in a living system. Every living system is made up of different systems such as endocrine system, reproductive system, immune system, urinary system, integumentary system, nervous system, musculoskeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and gastrointestinal system. Here are some of the anatomical positions. These are the standard anatomical terms. Interior, at or near the front of the body, is the front view. Posterior, at or near the back of the body, the back view. Midline, an imaginary vertical line that divides the body equally, right down the middle. Lateral, farther from midline, we call side view. Medial, nearer to midline is the side view. Superior, towards the head, upper part of the structure, we call bird eye view, is the looking view down. Inferior, away from the head, which is lower part of the structure, we call as bottom view or looking up. Superficial, close to the surface of the body. Deep, away from the surface of the body. Proximal, nearer to the origination of a structure. Distal, farther from the origination of a structure. Here are some anatomical positions such as superficial and deep. Now we will study about body region. With an example, I have shown you that a map of Delhi. The map of Delhi is divided in different regions such as North Delhi, South Delhi, Delhi Kent, New Delhi, and East Delhi. Like this, the human body is divided into different regions. The human body regions. There are two regions. One is axial body region. Second is appendicular body region. The axial body runs right down the center, which we call axis, and consists of everything except the limbs, meaning the head, neck, thorax. In the thorax comes your chest and back, abdomen, and pelvis. They all come in your axial body region. The appendicular body consists of appendages, otherwise known as upper and lower extremities, which you call your arms and legs. With the help of the colored picture, I have shown you the different regions which your body consists of. Here, a list of axial body main region. In this comes your head and neck. Cephalic, head. Cervical means neck. Frontal, your forehead. Nasal, your nose. Oral, in this comes your whole oral cavity. Cranial, your full skull. Occipital, the base of the skull. Or orbital, ocular means your eye. Thorax, axillary, your armpit. Coastal, the ribs. Deltoid, your shoulder. Mammary, your breast, both male and female. Pectoral, the chest. Scapular, your shoulder blades, which are at the back of your shoulder. Sternal, breastbone, which is in the middle of both the ribs. Vertebral, your backbone, in which your spinal cord lies. Is the abdomen. It extends from the lower ribs to the pelvic girdle. Abdominal is the abdomen. Gluteal, the buttocks. Inguinal, bands of hip. Lumbar, your back, lower back. Pelvis, area between the hip bones, is protected by the bones of the pelvis girdle. In that comes the perineal area between the anus and external genitalia, both male and female. Pubis, which is both for male and female, which we call as genitals. Sacral and of vertebral column. Here's a list of appendicular body main region such as your upper extremities, your arms. In that lies antebrachial, your forearm. Antecubital, inner elbow. Brachial, your upper arm. Carpal, the wrist. Cubital, elbow. Digital are the fingers of upper and lower extremities. Manual means your full hand. Palmar, inside of your hand. Here are the lower extremities. Crural, which we call as shin, front of lower leg. Femoral, your thigh. Patellar, your front of knees. Pedal, which you call the whole foot. Plantar, foot. Popliteal, back of knees. Sural, which you call the calf or back of lower leg. Tarsal, which we call as ankle. Now, review what we have studied today is the definition of anatomy and physiology, anatomical positions, human body regions. In this comes the axial and the appendicular. Axial, head, neck, thorax, abdomen and pelvis. Appendicular, upper and lower extremities. Thank you.